Wow!
There you are then.
Yay! Bye!
Bye.
As if the bike
You said you were trying to laugh. That's bad laughing.
Well,
Shall we just pull it off? Wow, Jim. That's smart, isn't it? Hey? That is a big boy bike.
let's have a look if it fits you.
Oops.
Right, the brakes work now.
Oh, I think it needs, does it go
I
any
can
lower?
drop the seat down, yeah. Put your feet on the pedals, it'll hurt your feet.
That's why I can't do it.
Go on, put your feet on. Put your feet on and I'll push you a little bit. Put your foot right.
Sounds like you're jumping. Right, I'll drop the seat down when I come back.
So
Is that
everything...
nice?
Is that good? Do you like that?
Yeah.
Everything with this on is us, everything else is everybody else. We'll do ours first.
Is it?
Yay! I thought it was talking about Speedway. Yeah!
Put it on there if you want. Put it on there if you want.
Pow!
Not Teletubby Toe.
No,
What's your second name?
that one.
Amaron. Do you know what it is?
No,
Well, see, the weather's nice. It's just come at the right time, hasn't it, all this?
on my fingers.
Yeah. We can have a go.
Let's
Everything.
speedy ball.
What you have to do, you have two people, one stands one side, one stands the other, and you have to open your hands like that, and the ball goes across.
Cute.
I'll get this.
What do you think that is?
Don't know.
Do you know where it is? Do you know where it is?
What does it?
Bye.
Yeah? Do people know you're coming? What does it say on your bell?
Oh, put the wrong thing on there.
What does it say on it?
I my bike.
I love my bike.
I love my bike.
Yeah.
Skylanders! Yeah!
But with Skylanders, is it?
Superchargers!
Yeah, you play all of them now, can't you? That's a heavy one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Game?
Game?
Oh, I loved that when I was little.
Everybody can play that with you. Watch you don't drop it. Don't put that on there, that's too heavy for you on there. Put that on the floor.
I think so big.
Because it's a big birthday.
But
Because you're a big boy.
I got less presents this one.
Huh?
I got less presents.
What do you mean?
Less. Yeah, but you got a big bike, a big
It's a lot of time.
Skylanders.
Corn!
Can you pull?
What sort of gun is it?
What? water.
A water pistol, a big one.
That's a big one.
You'll be able to squirt everybody, won't you? Good job, it's nice.
Small.
Thanks.
Then this.
Huh?
Yay! It's one of the thingies for
It's a busy book, isn't it? Have a look then. Lots in there, isn't there? Red Skull. Lots of figures in that one, isn't there?
Last one of you what? This is like a playmaker.
Yeah? Make lots of planes.
Cool.
Lots of pumps.
Cool.
Haven't had any of them for ages, have you?
How did you get a big one?
This way.
Try that. Whoa.
You can actually wear it.
When you're finished with it, you can wear it.
Happy 5th birthday,
What?
William.
5th? Is it my number? It's supposed to be 7 now. It's
7th birthday, William James. Suit up for an epic birthday adventure. Lots of love and kisses, Mummy and Daddy.
You can wear it over you. Or we can put it on your wall. It'll look nice on your wall, won't it?
it's good.
And these are Julie, aren't they? You got a card.
It's blue!
Blue?
Thinking
I
what
thought
she
it
got
was a
you.
mix-up.
Oh, there you are. You have to tell her then that he's got it wrong. Did you want that? Julie's got you that. Yeah?
I'm gonna put it.
What does Blue sing?
I want to be another. Yeah, that's Julie as well.
God, I've got it hard.
Oh, it's got his face on. She's
Little
good, isn't she,
dinosaur.
Julie? You've put
Have
your
that.
face on.
Great day, William. Happy 7th birthday. To William, happy 7th birthday. Hope you have a great day. Lots of love, Julie, Steve, Shauna, Ruby and Ozzy.
That's brilliant, that, isn't it?
I bet Day made that.
Yeah, that's good, isn't it?
Who
That's
made
brilliant.
it?
I sent a picture of that.
I know, to Shawnee.
She's tricking you.
Susu.
Princess.
Princess. To William, Phoebe, William, love Auntie Sue. Got lots of flavours when you come home from school, haven't you?
I know it's you.
Well, if you don't fit, you've got to give them a back. To get the really sure. I haven't seen them though. Whoa, they're cool. They are cool.
Heavy.
Are they? We'll try them later. Yeah? Not sure on the Insta. Hang on. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Oh, who's this then?
That one's off Grandad Tompkinson. That's
Oh.
off Girls.
This one off.
What's it say?
Granddad's son.
Grandson. Oh!
Okay,
What fell out?
money.
Yeah, more money now.
Wishing you an extra special day to William from Grandad. Happy birthday.
So I put that with the other one.
Yeah, ma.
And you've almost got enough to plant 30 zombies then, haven't you?
Yeah.
What do you want?
I presume Becky will go get yours when she comes in.
That's what she said.
What do you think that is? This is off Grandad Tomkinson.
Ant-Man!
Ant-Man?
God, that's all.
Is it Ant-Man?
Don't rip him.
Is it Ant-Man? Oh,
Yeah.
well done. Did you want him?
Yeah.
He's left the receipt in.
It doesn't matter.
Wow, wow, wow. Big boy bag.
Oh, God. To our special grandson. How do I help Winnie?
Doesn't matter, pal.
Have a really wild time. Happy birthday with lots of love to William. Have a wonderful day. Love, Grandad. This is a weird one.
Yeah.
Becky and Sammy.
I can find this
Now you can.
Doll.
Take it down then.
Oh, cool!
Hello. Whoa, brother.
You will have a happy birthday.
You will have an epic birthday.
To William James, happy 7th birthday, and Vez and Droider, hope you have a lovely day at
And like.
all your presents. What does that say?
Lots of
Lots
love.
of love, Becky and Sammy.
That's a nice card, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a cool one, that, isn't it?
Cool then.
Yeah!
Yeah. Got lots to
Even
play with when you
this
come in,
one.
haven't you?
And this one.
Well, you don't know what the other ones are. You never played swing ball, have you?
Listen, I'm going to start getting ready. Come up to me in a minute. Yeah, just have a little look and then come up.